Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, there is an extra new type of drugs which are called as SGLT2 inhibitors. There are some SGLT2 inhibitors which have dual PPAR alpha and PPAR gamma receptor agonists. What is it? This dual PPAR alpha and PPAR gamma receptor agonist is eliglitazar. Here in Le glitters are in this the affinity for in Le glitters are the affinity for PPAR alpha PPAR alpha is approximately equal to PPAR gamma. The affinity is similar. This is Ali glitters are. Then we have Siroglitazar. Okay, this Siroglitazar actually has affinity for PPAR alpha is approximately equal to PPAR gamma also. This also has a similar affinity.
thank you and thank you for watching.